Now we are in front of Sensō-ji. The Sensō-ji Temple, as you can see, the colorful and beautiful. This is also the oldest temple in Tokyo, and this built over 1,400 years. And also inside the temple, we usually pray for Kami-sama, God, Buddha. And how to pray? So one bow, and then put together, wish your dream, and one bow. So let's have a look inside. So before getting into temple, we usually purify ourselves. In the past, we purify whole our body, but these days, just wash your hands and rinse your mouth. So use only one stick, and then get fresh water. We only use once. And first of all, wash your left hand, and then switch your hand, right hand, and rinse your mouth. And last one is clean your leather as well. After this, also I will show you, we do have smoke incense pot, big incense pot. So you can see the people doing this because people believe the smoke promotes our good health. I will show you how to do it. And also Japanese people are very spiritual, so we believe the incense connect to our words to heaven. Have you heard of omikuji? Omikuji means fortune-telling paper. And then now I will show you how to do it. So first of all, 100 yen is put here. And then this big, then shaking. And get one stick, and it says the number 33. So here, 33. I got good fortune. So in my case, I got good fortune, so I will keep this one in my pocket. But if you get bad fortune, please tie it up to the rack. So here, people tied up their bad fortune. That means bad fortune go away. Well, I got good fortune, so I will keep this in my pocket.